Y'all don't know. Y'all don't know how long it's been since I reviewed the Yeezy. And looking at these, oh Lord. I don't know how I feel about these. Oh, let's check it out. Let's check it out together. Let's go. YouTube, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nephrite. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can see from the intro, as you can see from the title that you've clearly read, I am bringing y'all another sneaker review. And the sneaker that we're going to be taking a look at is on a brand that I have not done a review on for the channel in a long time. And today we're going to be taking a look at a pair of Yeezys, right? And the reason why I haven't really brought a review onto the channel when it comes to Yeezys is just because I don't know, when other than like 500s and 700s, Yeezys really don't have my attention like they used to. I'm sorry, they just really don't. But this silhouette that we're looking at, they actually the colorway captures my attention, but at the same time it kind of doesn't capture my attention, if that makes sense. So hey guys, ladies and gentlemen, do not mean to stop this video. I truly don't. But as you can see, I am currently in the process of editing this video. And while I realized that the wind was super obnoxious. And I don't mean to go ahead and, like I said, stop the video. But I just want to let you guys know, I'm sorry. While I was recording, I did not know that the wind was going to be this bad. It didn't sound bad on my end. But clearly, as you can hear throughout the video, it does kind of sound bad. So just want to let you guys know, you know, appreciate you guys. Sorry for the terrible quality of the wind, but don't want to stop any more of your time, and let's keep going with the video. So love you guys and thank you. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Yeezy 700 Mnvn in the brand new resin colorway. And funny story, so I went ahead and I actually on the community post, because you know I do keep you guys up to date over there. If you haven't, go check that out. And I usually like to keep you guys up to date in terms of, like, you know, is this a shoe that you want to pass? Is this a shoe that you want to comp? And I did go ahead and post these 700 Mnvn resins, and you guys actually said big no, which I understand. I do understand, because these are different. But with me being a content creator, because you know I try to go ahead and give you guys different perspectives on different shoes that do come out. I originally didn't want these, but I still picked them up anyways, just to give you guys, I guess, a visual presentation of what they look like. So without further ado, let's stop talking and dive into these 700 resins. Let's go. However though, first and foremost, before we actually take a look at these 700s, I did want to say thank you guys so much for the love and support that you show me on the channel. Currently, I think we're getting ready to hit 1,300 subscribers, which is like, it's just wild to me, seriously. My goal that I have set for this year is I at least want to hit 5K subscribers, 5 to 10K subscribers. If we don't hit that, that's fine. I'm just proud of I'm proud and thankful of all the progress we are making, and it really just, you know, you guys really allow me to keep pushing and pushing. So all the love and support that we get, it really does mean a lot. And you know, I just want you to know, if you're brand new watching right now, thank you so much. Hit that like, hit that subscribe button, because anytime I upload a video, I want you guys to be the first ones to actually see it. So let's get straight into this review. Let's go. Also, like you guys already know, I always like to be color coordinated with my products. Normally when I do, you know, reviews on products, I like to match them with matching headbands. We don't got a headband right now, but we do got a hat on, so we're gonna put that on. That's gonna work. That's gonna work for this one. So let's get this headband let's get this hat on. Let's get straight to it. And boom, straight like that, we actually got a hat on. I actually like this hat too. You know, we're reviewing a Yeezy today, which is from Adidas, so we're gonna go straight into it. So we got our knife right here, and let's actually cut into this box. Also, let me go ahead and say, yo, sorry it's been like, what, I want to say maybe 2 weeks since I dropped a video. There just really hasn't been anything that I've really been wanting, but as we come up for February, there are some interesting stuff that I am interested in, so videos will be back to the normal, like, 1 week upload. I usually try to go ahead and upload videos. And let's go ahead and actually take this out. And starting from the front, we do have the 700 right there. Looking at all around, it does have boost on these. Yo, that's, I didn't know Mnvns have boost. I never I didn't know that. I didn't know Mnvn had boost. I thought they never had boost. Looking at the front of the box, you see right there, it does say Yeezy 700 Mnvn, made by Adidas. Looking at the back of it right there, almost dropped the box, it does say Yeezy 700 Mnvn. I did get a size 11.5. And when it comes to Mnvns, I usually, because I've had a friend of mine, I've never owned them, this is my first time owning them, but I have a friend who does own them. I recommend going a half size up. So whatever you fit, I would say like in Yeezy 350s, go that half size up. So if you're like a 9, a 10, an 11, go that half size up and you will be fine. So taking this from right here, let me show you guys the, first and foremost, I don't know what I'm doing. Let me go ahead and actually read you guys the size description. The size description reads, it is Yeezy 700 Mnvn. I did get 11.5. As you see right there, it is resin, and resin. Jeez, that's a lot of resins. And then you got original right there. And then you also get hit with the SKU code, which is GW9525 right there. And just showing you guys again, even though I've already showed you right there. And boom. So let's go ahead and actually get these, let's slide these out. I'm a little nervous because this colorway is a little strange. So I did go ahead and hit on these from the Confirm app as well. Let me go ahead and post you guys right there, as you can see. So we're going to actually, how am I gonna do this? I wanna slide out for you guys perfectly. Hold on, let me get the top off. All right. You know, I like to give you guys an overview whenever I do go ahead and I'm showing you guys the shoe. So you got the clear, like tan tissue paper that goes and covers the shoe right there. And without further ado, let's dive into it. 3, 2, 1. Let's pull this back. And oh my gosh. Okay, here they go right here. This is the left right there? Huh. Okay, here's the left right there. And here is the right. So let me go ahead and put this down. Let me go ahead and put the tissue paper back up in there. All right, so boom, here we go right here. This is the Yeezy 700 Mnvn in the resin colorway. And I'm not really too, I'm keeping an honest opinion. I thought my opinion would probably change once I got them in hand. It's kind of the same. They're not like, I don't hate these, okay? I don't hate these, but I obviously don't love them as well. They're just, they're like the colorway is not really it for me, to be honest with you. Okay, so which one do you want to start with? Do you want to start with the left or do you want to start with the right? I feel like the right kind of gives it that, what's better? We're gonna go with the right, so let's put this down. So looking at the overallness of it right here, obviously this clearly comes inspired from the Yeezy 700, the frame of the body when it comes to the 700. Looking at the bottom right there, you do have your all black midsole, and then you do have, I want to say, is that the boost right there? You have like styrofoam? Look at styrofoam right there. And then as you come up to the midsole right here, as you can see, you do have like on your regular V1 700, you do have the midsole right there that goes all the way around. Then as you come up to the upper of the shoe as well, you do get hit with that, looks like to be 3M. I hope, you know, the sun's glaring on it, so I don't know if you guys can see that good, but it has like a 3M, like 700 that goes all the way around it. And then you get hit with this resin colorway. I don't know what material, is this polyester? That's what it looks like. Look, I think, no, this is polyester. This looks like polyester that goes all the way around it. I'm not really a big fan of that. I'm being real with you. I'm really not. And then as you go ahead and you look on the upper of the shoe, you do get hit with these. From what I've been hearing, people are calling these the infinity laces, so I'm gonna go with that. I'm not, like I said, I'm not, my history on Yeezy 700 Mnvns are not the best, but these are the infinity laces that go up. And then as you go ahead, there's a shoe tree in here. Dang, it's kind of tight, to be honest. Take off the shoe tree, regular shoe tree. And then as you look inside, it does say Yeezy. What else does it say in there? And it has Adidas logo in there. Let me see if I can actually show you guys the insole a little bit more. Right there, Yeezy, see the Adidas logo. And then that's basically the entirety of the shoe. Oh, and then on the bottom of the outsole as well, you do have another Adidas logo right there. It's pretty cool. In terms of, is this a must-have? No. Is this a must? No. Like I said, I don't find these aren't like, they're not horrendous, okay? I don't think they're horrendous. I think they're you know, it's interesting how they were coming up with this color, but personally, I don't know if this is, there's a lot of other shoes coming out that are better than this for sure, hands down. I know that they went ahead and they have released multiple colors in the past. I think like last year we did get the Honey Flux, and then we also got the Phosphorus as well. These remind me of the Phosphorus and the Honey Flux. I feel like if the Honey Flux and the Phosphorus had a baby, this is what you're getting right here. You're getting this resin colorway, and if I'm not mistaken as well, they did come out with another silhouette. It was the 450, and they did go ahead and drop the resin colorway. I feel like they've been trying to get that colorway as well to kind of go out, but I don't think, as far as the community goes, people are really going for these, honestly. People are, I don't know if people are, it's the colorway that people are not really going to be feeling. But comment down below, let me know what you feel about the Yeezy 700 Mnvn in the resin colorway. Was this one that you passed on? Did you cop? I just think, in my overall opinion, that this would be a shoe that's really hard to match with a lot of outfits. I feel like you would have to wear like a predominantly all like one color. Like, you know, for example, like I'm wearing a white shirt, my pants would have to be white or like black, and then you could wear these with it, you know? Or like an all black and all white and all gray. Like, you know, if you're doing some type of mismatch color, it would be really hard for these to go off. So like I said, truthfully, I don't really know if I'm gonna hold on to these because I just don't know if I can really rock these with a whole lot of outfits. But in terms of actually, you know, this is interesting though. It is interesting. I do like Mnvns. I just don't think this was the colorway that was really good. So comment down below, let me know what you feel about these right now. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so this has been the review over the Yeezy 700 Mnvn in the resin colorway. Like I said, comment down below, let me know what you feel about them. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review, but before I do, I'm gonna give you guys a closer perspective so you can see. That way, if you're going to go ahead and you are gonna make your decision in purchasing things, you know, I can show you, and that way you guys can go ahead and check them out. So here they go right here, look at the close look. Over on the secondary markets, I know a lot of you guys are telling me as well that these are actually going under the retail price, and I actually looked and they are like, these are retail for $220, but right now I think if you go on GOAT, for my size, I know size 11.5, these are actually like $13, $210 from what I'm seeing. I think that this colorway is just not, it's not gonna sell that much. I really don't. I just don't. Maybe in the long run it may go up, but Mnvns, I know a lot of people, they're not really feeling this style. I think it's something new that I like that Yeezy's come out with, but I just think that they gotta come different with the different colors. Like last year they came out with the metallic, and I actually do have those, and I'll bring a review for you guys a little bit later. But yeah, it's just, these aren't, this colorway is not the move. This colorway is not the move. It's just not. But like I said, comment down below and let me know what y'all feel about these right now. Alrighty guys, so this has been the review over the Yeezy 700 Mnvn in the resin colorway. Comment down below and let me know what you feel about these. I've already said it like a million times, but still, your opinion does matter. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review. Now, as far as for the month of February goes, more videos will be on the way. I will try to keep more videos coming for you. It's just towards the end of January, there really wasn't anything kind of like I was interested in, but there is some stuff coming. There is some stuff on the way for February that I am actually, it piques my interest, so I will try to go ahead and keep videos rolling as much as I can. But until then, like always, this has been your boy, this has been your kid. Remember, there's only ever going to be one you, so be the best you. And until next time, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.